Tip number 2 is to use the right toothbrush and the right toothpaste. So when choosing a toothbrush, you want to choose a toothbrush with a comfortable handle, because it needs to be comfortable when you're brushing. You want to choose one that's got a small head so it can comfortably get all the way to the back of your mouth. You want to have one with soft or medium bristles so that they're not too abrasive to your gums. And ideally, you also have bristles of different lengths to clean little gaps between your teeth. So if you've tried an electric toothbrush before and you don't like the electric toothbrush, then I'd say carry on using your normal manual toothbrush and that'll be fine if you really don't get on with one of these. But if you've not tried one of these before, I would recommend getting one because they are more effective at brushing your teeth than a normal toothbrush. So when you're buying an electric toothbrush, there's 3 main brands. There's Oral-B, this is an Oral-B brush. There's also Philips Sonicare and there's also Colgate. Now I prefer all of them to a manual brush, but the research that's been done shows that this Oral-B one is best for most people. So if I make a recommendation on a toothbrush, then I am going to have to recommend this Oral-B toothbrush. Now, an electric brush will do all of the hard work for you. So when you're brushing your teeth, you just turn the power button on and you want to angle the bristles down towards the gums, just as we did with the manual toothbrush, like this. And you hold the bristles on one tooth for about 3 seconds, then move over to the next tooth, a few seconds, move on to the next tooth, and you go around the whole mouth like this, and it will clean your teeth for you. So when do you want to replace a toothbrush? You can see that this one has been freshly taken out of a packet. That's perfect. This one has gone way past the point at which you want to change it, and you actually want to change a toothbrush when the bristles first start to splay. If I show you my electric toothbrushes, you can see that this is a perfect out of the packet one, and you can also see that there's a colour indicator just here. Now that's full colour, whereas this is exactly the same head and this colour has pretty much completely gone. That's an indicator that it wants to be changed, and actually from looking at the bristles, they are a little bit splayed. This probably wanted to be changed earlier, and you want to change your toothbrush just as the bristles start to splay outwards. When choosing a toothpaste, you need to choose one with the right concentration of fluoride in it. So what you want to do is go to the supermarket and have a look at the back of the toothpaste on the ingredients list. About halfway down the ingredients list, there'll be something called fluoride there, and in brackets, you'll see a number. There'll be a number, and then straight after the number, it will say ppm. That stands for parts per million, and that tells you how concentrated the fluoride is in the toothpaste. The number that you're looking for is 1,450 ppm, and that's a good strong concentration of fluoride, and that's what you'll get in all the big name brands. All the Colgates and Oral-Bs and Aquafreshes and things like that tend to have that, but also the supermarket brands will usually have that as well. So you don't have to go for a big name brand toothpaste. The most important thing is that it contains 1,450 ppm of fluoride.